Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, people, we got GS watch faces in the building. Bring with him another awesome creation. I'm loving this analog watch face and the layout of it. The name of it is called GS Hybrid 6. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. But I'm liking the way the information stands out on the Gears 2 just a tad bit better. But both watch faces look nice in the AOD mode. Once the watch face is on, I like the theme that's going on in the background. Really looks nice. And I like the huge dials on this one. You can see everything very clearly. It's very legible. And I do like the analog hands of this watch face. So this is going to be more so a super casual watch face for the weekend. Now, if you look in the dial to the left, you're going to get your AM stamp for your time. You're going to get nice big bold legible digital time as well. And you're going to get your battery percentage all in the same dial. Now the dial to the left is going to give you a moon phase, your month, your date, and also the day of the week as well. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your step info. You're going to be all good for this casual weekend out on the town. All right, so let's check out this watch face just a little bit deeper, right? As you can see, you got some menus going on here, right? But first, if I tap here, I'd be able to go in, make a phone call. Tap right here, I could set an alarm. And of course, right here, it's going to bring you to where you can find your phone. Now, you thought it was going to bring up your step information, right? So let's tap here. You double tap, you can change the brightness of the dials. And I thought that was different. I thought it was nice. And if I double tap again, I can change the color theme of that background. That looks so nice. So depending on what color you want, you get many different colors to choose from. I thought they were all nice. And yeah, not bad. Let's tap right here. And then now I can color it, the dials. Change it differently, mix and match. Again, for the price, this one is nice. Not bad at all, but we're not done yet. Double tap here, and you can bring up a menu. So if you need to make a phone call, messages, go into your weather, you can do all that right here. It doesn't clutter the space. Set an alarm. You got a couple of favorites, and also you get your heart rate, find my phone. Everything is right here. I'm loving this one. Again, my man GS, he always gets down on some awesome watch faces. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.